Hi, my name is Leslie Panana. I work with Purchase Referred Care at the Clinton Indian Health Center. I wanted to talk to you about emergency room notifications for an ER visit or a hospitalization. For most patients who have an ER visit or hospitalization, we ask that you notify the PRC office of your ER visit or hospitalization within 72 hours from the date of your ER visit or hospitalization. With the exception to this rule is if you are an elder, 55 or older, disabled, or critically ill, you have 30 days to notify PRC of your ER visit or hospitalization. Please note that we ask that you notify our office of your ER visit or hospitalization as soon as possible. Now please keep in mind that in order for an ER visit or hospitalization to be considered for PRC, we must verify your eligibility. These eligibility requirements are certificate degree of Indian blood, known as your CDIB, or a descendancy letter from your tribe, Social Security number, photo ID, driver's license or tribal membership or CDIB with a photo ID, proof of residency within the 18-county delivery area of the Clinton Service Unit. This can be completed by presenting either a gas or electric bill or a lease agreement noting your physical address. If no utility bills are in your name, a notarized verification of residency letter is required. For a minor or a child under the age of 18, the eligibility requirements are the same unless your child does not have their own CDIB, and in that case, we can use a copy of the parent's CDIB and the child's state-issued birth certificate to meet those requirements. Please visit our website at ihs.gov, or you can contact the Clinton Service Unit at 580-331-3590.